Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix Bluetooth problem in your Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. If your Bluetooth devices like earbuds, speaker or any Bluetooth connectivity device are not connecting to your device, firstly you have to check your Bluetooth module. If it is not connecting, you have to restart it first. So every time it's not a mobile phone mistake, sometimes it is not the device is connected to the another device. So firstly you have to remove the speaker or earbud from the another device. Then you have to go to this Bluetooth in your smartphone and then click on this pair new device. So it will show the available device over here that you have paired previously. If you have a new pair, click on this pair new device. Then here are the available device, it will tell you. Click on it, pair it. If it is not connecting, there is a second way you can do it. Click on settings of your smartphone, click on search, right here reset Bluetooth settings, like this. Just wait until it shows the reset option. So here it is, the reset options. Now click on it, click on reset Bluetooth, and you can see Bluetooth settings has been reset successfully, and now your problem will be solved. If it is not solving, there is not mistake in your smartphone, it is problem in your earbud or any connected device. So first reset that device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.